Have you ever walked into someone's home and instantly felt calm? The floors are clean, the bed is made, there's no pile of clothes on the chair, and somehow, everything feels under control. At first, you might think, wow, this person is just organized. But psychology says it goes deeper than that. People who keep their house clean often aren't just cleaning their environment, they're protecting their peace of mind. And psychology says these people often share certain personality traits. Many of them are naturally more self-aware. They notice details other people ignore. They notice when something feels off. A crooked pillow, dishes in the sink, clutter on a table. Small things can stay in their mind longer than they do for other people. Because of that, clean people are often more mentally affected by their environment. Their mood can change depending on the space around them. When their house is clean, they feel lighter, calmer, and more focused. When it is messy, they can feel distracted, irritated, or mentally stuck. A lot of people who keep their homes clean also tend to be planners. They like structure. They like routines. They usually feel better when they know where things are, what needs to be done, and what comes next. For them, cleaning is not random. It is often part of a system. Making the bed in the morning, putting things back immediately, cleaning before sleeping. These small habits make them feel more in control of their life. Psychologists often connect this to a personality trait called conscientiousness. Conscientious people are usually responsible, disciplined, reliable, and organized. They often take care of their home the same way they take care of other parts of their life. And interestingly, many people who keep their homes clean also care deeply about other people. They want others to feel comfortable in their space. They want their family to feel relaxed. They want guests to feel welcomed. So sometimes cleaning is also connected to kindness and care. For them, a clean home can feel like a way of saying, I care about this place. I care about the people inside it, because the truth is, your environment affects your brain more than you think. When a room is messy, your brain has to process every object around you, every pile of clothes, every dirty dish, every random item left on the table becomes another unfinished task in your mind. Psychologists call this visual clutter. And visual clutter can quietly increase stress, anxiety, and even mental exhaustion. That's why people who naturally keep their homes clean often say the same thing. I can't relax if my space is messy. A clean space can create a sense of control. And when life feels chaotic, people often clean because it's one of the few things they can control. So if you're someone who likes keeping your house clean, you're not weird. You're not too much. You're not controlling. You may simply be someone whose mind feels better when your environment feels calm. And that makes complete psychological sense. Because sometimes, cleaning your space is also a way of cleaning your mind. And maybe that's why a clean room feels so good. Because it gives you peace. If this made you think different, hit subscribe. We go deeper every day. Don't forget to like the video. It helps more people find messages like this. And if you want to connect with people who think like you, join our Discord community. The link's in the description. Reverse Hub isn't just a channel. It's a mindset.